Welcome to the Digest AI tutorial. I'm Victoria Godso, a manager of AI developer enablement at AMD. In this video, we will guide you through the key features and functionalities of Digest AI, a powerful model analysis tool designed to help you extract valuable insights from your machine learning models. Digest AI, developed by AMD in collaboration with the ONNX community and the Linux Foundation, is an open source tool that aids developers in exploring and understanding machine learning models. Let's dive into how you can get started with Digest AI. To begin, you can build Digest AI from the source code available on the GitHub repository at github.com/onnx/digestai. Once installed, run Digest from your command line to launch the application. Digest AI works seamlessly on both Windows and Linux platforms. Once Digest AI is up and running, you can open a model in three ways. 1. Click on the Open a Local Model button in the left sidebar. 2. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-O to open a file explorer. Or 3. Drag and drop a model file directly onto the interface. After selecting a model file, Digest AI performs several checks to ensure the model's integrity and prepares it for analysis. You will see a detailed summary of your model, including basic details like the offset, total nodes, parameters, and flops, as well as advanced insights such as the op histogram, parameter intensity by the op type, and model inputs and outputs. Digest AI allows you to save the model analysis using the Save Report button in the left menu. You can specify a folder to save the reports, which include a heat map, node CSV report, summary report, histogram, and a CSV report of the node types and counts. Digest AI also supports multi-model analysis. By clicking the Multi-Model Analysis button, you can select a folder containing multiple models. This feature provides a global summary and allows you to save all model summaries as CSV files. Digest AI includes a beta Hugging Face module that enables users to download ONNX models directly from the Hugging Face hub. Simply search for a model, select it, and click Open. Digest AI will download and analyze the model, taking you to the summary page. If you don't see the Hugging Face logo, check the README in the GitHub repo for how to enable this feature. For models with dynamic input shapes, Digest AI displays a warning message. You can freeze the model with static shapes by clicking the blue snowflake icon in the Input Tensor section and specifying static dimensions. Digest AI includes an API for ingesting, modifying, and analyzing machine learning models. You can analyze single or multiple models and generate various reports using simple Python commands. Digest AI is a powerful and user-friendly tool that enhances your machine learning development. To experience the benefits of Digest AI, visit github.com/onnx/digestai and try it out today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can find links related to developer resources and tools in the video description. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and leave your feedback in the comments below.